Have you ever struggled with edging your lawn? Well, that's not something I've typically done over the years, but I'm going to try it this summer. And to do that, I've taken my old tiller, it's a small one, and found out that you can buy attachments for it that it would turn this into an edger. And I want to try to do that today, and I would like for you to follow along. Join me as I share stories of my life as a kid, bringing junk home and turning it into something useful. Fact is, I'm still doing this today at age 69. I went online and did a little checking, and I found out that this product has attachments that you can add to it. I found this on the interweb, and it's old. It's in the box. I don't think it's ever been out of the box. It may have been. I don't know. So let's open this box and see what I have, and if this is the right product to turn this machine into a working edger. Let's just open this up. What do we have here? That looks pretty new to me, doesn't it to you? Well, it looks like we have a destruction book. I meant instructions. Red. Okay, what do we got here? I don't know what those are. We'll figure it out. What's this? Wait a minute. Let me get this out of here. For Pete's sake, why do they have to pack stuff so tight? There we go. That looks pretty simple to me. So we have basically 6 components. We have 2 of these, a wash. Let me open this, for pity's sake. Okay. We have 2 of these, 1 of these, a wheel, and a cutter. Without reading the instructions, I'm going to just take a guess here, but I would say, let me get you a little closer so you can see what I'm doing here. I would say that this here would attach to this on one side and this to the other side. My guess is these are spacers to hold it just right. And I'm thinking, I could be off here, but I'm thinking this would go on the outside of that like that, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, and you can't see it, but there are Carter keys here. Let me pull one out and I'll show you. Right there, some people call them R clips. Wonder why they call those R clips. If you know, comment and give me a comment on why would they call that an R clip. It's beyond me. With that out, it looks to me like, here, let's tilt this down like that so all the gas can run out. Slide that off. I've never had this apart like this before. Look at that, there's an extra hole. Let's go here. Oh, come on. I might have to get a friendly persuader on that. Where are you? Right here. Happen to have one. Off it comes. Okay. What are these for? Can only go on there one. Now they can go on all kind of. Hey, look at that. What do you think? Like that maybe? This has a flat spot on it, so it can only go in one way. So let's slide that in. Huh. Interesting. I wonder where this would go. It doesn't go on this side, that's for sure. I wonder if it's universal. See this here? Oh yeah, it goes on there. I wonder if that would go against that. No, I don't think so. I think this side goes here. I think that goes there like that. This goes on there like that. And if I had enough room, this should go in here, but I'm about a half a hole off. Okay, I give up. I better look at the instructions. Give me a couple minutes here. That was quick. I determined that this here goes on the wheel side. So the way this would work is that would go like that. Right there, slide on. This would go on next, and then a clip onto this. So let's turn this around and get that set up. Okay, let's move this stuff and get it out of our way. We don't need this box. We'll keep the instructions just in case. We may save the box to put it back in when I'm not using it. Throw that over here. Furnace kicked on, so you might not be able to hear me too good, so I'll try to speak up a little. But let's turn this around a bit. Can you still see it? Okay, this clip right here, pull it out. Ouch. Come on. That's out. Pull this off. Those have never been off of there that I know of. That off. Grab this white spacer. You can see here, doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that that has to go in there like that. Fits perfectly. And I'm guessing this extra hole's for a little different setup. And see, then this right here, this little plastic, fits onto that perfectly. Oh, look at that. Where's that washer? I lost the washer. Well, it's here somewhere. Oh, there it is. I found it. It's not lost. Let's see if that goes in there like that. And if that's perfect. So there you go. Can't believe how easy that was. Turn this here digger into a edger. Wonder if I got this on right. It can only go one way. Okay, it has to be on right. And by the way, this can flop this way or this way, so you can edge from left or right, depending on what you like. The reason I put it on this way is this is the way I think I would like to use it. Honestly. So it's not time to edge yet, but when it is, I'll give you a little demonstration. We're going to call this complete. I'd love to hear from you on anything. If you've used this setup before, tell me, give me some pointers. Tell me what to do and what not to do. Or if you got a better way to edge, or if you don't edge at all, maybe you think it's a waste of time. Maybe it is, I don't know, but I thought I would like to give it a try. Didn't spend much for this. Got that on that, what is it called, that eBay or eBay or whatever it's called. And found that, and I thought, well, I'm just going to give it a shot. But yes, comment on this and let me know what you think. Tell me about your edging experiences. I'd love to hear it. I share a lot about mine. I would like to hear about yours. If you like my videos, follow along, continue to follow. And if you like them enough to hit the subscribe button, well, I'd greatly appreciate it. Can it be fixed? Sure it can. Can you fix it? You bet you can. Until the next time.